Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable USB debugging on your Android phone. So let's get started. So first thing is, let's go ahead into our settings app. Now from your settings app, you're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom or look for About Phone. Now in the About Phone, you're going to go down a little bit further and click on Software Information. Now from Software Information, you're going to look for Build Number. In the build number, you're going to tap 7 times until you see what's known as a developer mode activate. So it's going to ask you to enter your PIN or passcode after you press about 7 times. And now we want to allow developer settings. Now developer mode is turned on. We're going to go back one more to the main settings. And now right underneath About Phone, we will now see a new option called developer options. So you're going to tap on that. And from here on, you're going to scroll down and look for USB debugging, and we're going to tap on it and click on OK, and that's going to go ahead and enable the USB debugging on our Android phone. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. So see you guys next time.